This is our sample kit, which includes all the samples which I'm showing you. We have a designing CD of 200 design of lanyards and ID cards. We have a software CD also included in this. We have a design booklet in which we are showing all the designs of lanyards and ID cards. We have a metal holders which include all the colors with lanyards. It's all available in this kit. We have a jumbo size in it, jumbo size cards. We have one more bunch of cards in it to include all the samples of every card, like visiting card, loyalty card, embossing cards, shopping cards. We have a RFID cards also included.